Life's little surprises can come at you from every angle. Whether compliments of a soccer ball strike, courtesy of a key fob fumble, or the result of a runaway shopping cart. Chevrolet Protection has a plan to shield you from the unexpected to get you back on the road with confidence. Chevrolet Protection offers a comprehensive suite of products, including protection on top of the manufacturer's warranty, and where you can get tomorrow's services at today's prices. There's also a plan that covers replacement or repairs, a plan that covers parts that wear out over time, one that provides added financial protection, another that gives you added coverage at lease end, and one that lets you bundle plans so you can save a bundle too. Each designed to give you reliable coverage no matter where the road takes you. Chevrolet Protection, shielding you today from whatever comes at you tomorrow. Ask your dealer about the only protection plans backed by Chevrolet.